Many Toyota hybrid owners are told they need a battery replacement costing between $3,000 and $4,500, often without proper diagnosis. In reality, a large number of these cases are misdiagnosed. In this video, I'm breaking down the 3 real signs your Toyota hybrid battery is dying, why most drivers misread them, and how people end up paying for replacements they never needed. Toyota's hybrid system is widely misunderstood. The high-voltage battery isn't a simple component. It's a complex system made up of multiple cells, a battery management system, and a dedicated cooling setup. All of it works together with the engine and control systems. Because of that complexity, many issues outside the battery can create symptoms that look exactly like battery failure. Cooling problems, a weak 12-volt battery, or system miscalculations can all mimic the same warning signs. That's why understanding the real signs matters, not because they automatically mean failure, but because they help you separate an actual problem from a false alarm. The first sign of a dying hybrid battery is a noticeable change in how the battery charges and depletes during normal driving. Under normal conditions, a Toyota hybrid follows a predictable pattern. At low speeds and during light acceleration, the vehicle relies on electric power, keeping the engine off as much as possible. Over time, drivers naturally become familiar with this rhythm. When the engine engages, how long the battery holds charge, and how smoothly the system transitions between power sources. When a hybrid battery begins to degrade, that rhythm starts to change. The usable capacity of the battery decreases, and the system becomes more conservative to protect it. The engine begins to turn on more frequently, even in situations where it previously stayed off. You may notice the battery gauge dropping faster than usual, then charging more aggressively, creating wider and more frequent swings. The vehicle starts to feel less like an electric-assisted system at low speeds and more like a conventional car with occasional electric support. The smooth balance between electric and engine power becomes less consistent. This change is one of the earliest indicators that the battery may be losing efficiency. However, this is also where many drivers get it wrong. The exact same behavior can be caused by other issues that have nothing to do with battery failure. A weak 12-volt battery can interfere with how the hybrid system operates, forcing the engine to run more often than necessary. A restricted or clogged cooling system can cause the battery to overheat, which leads the system to limit its performance to protect the cells. Even external factors like higher temperatures, heavier traffic, or longer highway driving can shift how the system behaves. When the battery operates at higher temperatures than designed, the system reduces its usable range to prevent damage. This creates the appearance of a failing battery even when the battery itself is still healthy. That's why this first sign should never be treated as a final diagnosis. It's an early signal that something has changed, and it should lead to proper inspection, not immediate replacement. The second sign is more direct and harder to ignore. It's the appearance of the red triangle warning light, usually combined with a hybrid system warning and a noticeable drop in power. When this happens, the system is no longer operating normally. The car deliberately reduces performance to protect itself after detecting a fault it cannot safely manage. Acceleration may feel weaker, responses may become inconsistent, and the vehicle may rely more heavily on the engine than usual, even under light driving conditions. In many cases, this points to an imbalance inside the battery pack. Toyota hybrid batteries are made up of multiple modules that are constantly monitored in real time. The system tracks voltage differences, charge levels, and overall balance between these modules. If one module begins to fail or falls significantly out of sync with the others, the system detects the inconsistency and reacts by triggering the warning and limiting power output to prevent further damage. However, this does not automatically mean the entire battery is failing. In some cases, only a single module or a small group of modules is affected while the rest of the pack remains healthy. When that happens, the issue is localized, and targeted repairs can often restore proper function without replacing the entire battery. This makes a significant difference in cost. There is another cause that is even more commonly overlooked. A weak 12-volt battery can trigger the exact same warning. The 12-volt battery powers the control systems that manage the hybrid system. It supplies stable voltage to the computers, sensors, and communication networks that coordinate everything. When it begins to fail, voltage can drop during startup or under load. This creates unstable or inconsistent signals across the system. The hybrid control unit relies on accurate data. When that data becomes irregular, the system interprets it as a fault condition. As a result, the warning light is triggered and the vehicle is placed into a protective mode, even though the high-voltage battery itself may still be functioning properly. To the driver, it looks identical to a major hybrid battery failure. This is why so many people are quoted full battery replacements without the smaller battery ever being properly tested. A relatively inexpensive component ends up being mistaken for a major system failure. So while the red triangle warning is a serious signal, it is not a confirmation of total battery failure. It's a clear indication that something in the system needs attention, and that proper diagnosis should always come before any expensive decision. The third sign is the most subtle but often the most important. It's a consistent and unexplained drop in fuel economy. Toyota hybrids are known for their predictable efficiency. Most drivers develop a clear sense of what their vehicle should deliver under different conditions: city driving, highway cruising, short trips, or seasonal changes. When those numbers begin to drop without a clear explanation, it's a strong indication that the system is no longer operating at its normal efficiency. A weakening hybrid battery cannot store or deliver energy as effectively as it once did. Its ability to accept charge during braking and provide power during acceleration becomes limited. To compensate for this loss, the system leans more heavily on the engine. The engine runs more often, stays on longer, and works harder to maintain performance. As a result, fuel consumption increases. What makes this sign different is how quietly it happens. There are no warning lights, no alerts, and no immediate changes in how the car feels during short drives. The only noticeable difference is that the fuel gauge drops faster over time. Many drivers overlook this or attribute it to fuel quality, traffic conditions, or changing weather. But when the drop is consistent and cannot be explained by external factors, it points to reduced hybrid system efficiency, often linked to early battery degradation. This stage is important because it is usually the earliest phase of a real decline. At this point, the issue may still be manageable. Addressing it early can slow further degradation and extend the usable life of the battery. Once any of these signs appear, the next step is proper diagnosis. The first thing to check is the 12-volt battery using a proper load test, not just a voltage reading. A battery can appear normal at rest but fail under load, creating system-wide inconsistencies that mimic larger problems. Next, the battery cooling system should be inspected. Restricted airflow, debris buildup, or a weak cooling fan can cause the battery to operate outside its ideal temperature range. When this happens, the system reduces performance to protect the cells, producing symptoms that closely resemble battery failure. Finally, a proper hybrid system scan is essential. This involves reading detailed data directly from the battery, including individual module performance, voltage balance, temperature history, and fault records. This level of information is what determines whether the issue is overall wear across the pack or a specific localized fault. If the battery shows uniform wear at higher mileage, then replacement becomes a reasonable consideration. But if only certain modules are affected, targeted repairs can often resolve the issue at a significantly lower cost. Understanding these three signs changes how you approach the problem. Instead of reacting to assumptions or fear, you respond based on actual system behavior and data. If this helped you see your hybrid differently, make sure to like the video so more drivers avoid unnecessary repairs. Subscribe for more insights that keep you informed and in control. And if you've ever been quoted a hybrid battery replacement that turned out to be something simpler, share your experience below.